think I've attended every workshop that PAEA has offered because I really think that it's the best way to learn new material. So you get a really focused time away from work with colleagues that are interested in learning the same thing that you are.
I found them to be very informative. You know, it's great to have kind of several days where you're just dedicated to learning one specific topic, and you get really in-depth, and they typically incorporate some active learning modalities, which makes the information very easy to retain then. I found it to be very helpful with that transition from a practicing provider to an educator.
I chose to do the faculty workshop 101 because I think that will actually be beneficial for me, giving me a good overall of kind of what I'm supposed to do and how to do it, and some of the best ways to kind of be what I need to be for my students.
I think that there's great value in coming to the in-person event because you really get that chance to collaborate with your colleagues. So I met a lot of new people this year that I had never met before, and I actually saw some people that I did see last year that were actually in my workshop last year. There's a lot of great things you can do online, but you can't make those one-on-one personal connections, and that's what you get when you come to the workshops in person.
A lot of times online you get distracted and do a lot of other things, but I felt the in-person workshop was more engaging, allowed you to interact with other PAs of the same profession, and kind of doing the same thing you're doing, as well as being new to the job. So it was a lot of common similarities with the other PAs.
If anyone's thinking about attending a PAE workshop, I highly recommend it. I find them to be very helpful, very valuable. I gained so much information in just a short amount of time, and it sticks with me after I'm finished.
When I attend a workshop and I learn great things, I always go back to my program and tell them that, you really should consider this next year because it's just a really great experience.